Okay, so, there's a lot, of, like, thunder I heard about from where I am, and it's everywhere around Victoria, and even though, yeah. And also, I just, don't get it, like, come on, like, yesterday it was hot, but now today is, now today it's just a storm going on. And no, there's no power outage because the fan is on. As you guys can see over there. And, hang on. You can see like there's lightning over there. Well, you can't see it at the moment, but, yeah. But even though, I can see like flashes going on over there. I can see it in the corner of my eye. So, yeah. Also, I like, the rain. I like rain. It's like one of the best things for me. Although it's supposed to be summer. But, even though at least it's not hot, like, well, I like the rain. But I just don't get why it's summer, but it always rains. Like, I thought summer is always dry, but nope. Summer is always raining because of Victoria. I live in Victoria in Melbourne, but I can't say where I actually am, but... Even though, I'm having a good year so far. It's good so far. Not bad, but still there's a lot of rain going on, and I hope yeah, even though I could see like there was a lot of lightning, and I kept my phone on charge, that's why I charged my phone that. Wow. And it's raining. Also, go like and subscribe, etc. And it's Aussie over and out.